Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a copper golem. First, understand the basic components needed for its construction. We will cover everything from collecting raw copper to the final activation. This guide ensures you can successfully build your own golem, ready to assist you. Get ready to bring your metallic friend to life with clear, easy-to-follow instructions. To begin, you'll need to gather your essential materials. Start by mining raw copper ore, then smelt it into copper ingots. You'll need 3 ingots to craft each copper block, totaling 4 blocks for the golem's body. Don't forget to find a pumpkin and carve it into a head. These are the foundational items for your new creation. Now, let's assemble your copper golem. Find a clear, open space to begin. Place 2 copper blocks directly on top of each other, forming the base and torso. Next, place 1 copper block on either side of the top block, creating the arms. Finally, carefully place your carved pumpkin on the very top of the central stack. Your copper golem should activate instantly once the carved pumpkin is placed. It will begin to wander around, interacting with its environment. Remember that copper golems naturally oxidize over time, changing their appearance. This process is a unique characteristic of your new companion. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. They are perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.